Hello everyone, welcome back. Today it's another coffee at home business idea. And in a previous video I showed you how to make instant coffee, but very simple coffee with milk. Today is another special recipe. We are going to make our coffee more exciting. For those of you that are new to this bottled instant coffee business at home, it's a very simple business to start with very minimum investment. All you need are a cooker, a large pot because you're going to bulk brew your coffee, and also you need some measuring gadgets. You can have a pitcher or a measuring cup or shot glass. You probably need a scale when you bottle your coffee drinks so that all bottles will have the exact same content or weight, and of course the ingredients. And the ingredients, I can assure you, are very simple. You need a few other gadgets like stirring spoon, a ladle, or a whisk, and of course you would need a refrigerator. And if you do not have a refrigerator, you can also keep your bottled drinks in ice boxes. Really very simple and low investment with potentially good profit depending on how much you can sell each day. So coupled with hard work and good taste, you can make this business work. For those with big ideas and great marketing skills, you can even take this business nationwide. I would only caution you that the recipes that I'm showing you are fresh and no preservatives added. That means to say, whatever you make should only last for about at most 7 days, and they must be refrigerated or chilled. We are going to make bottled salted caramel coffee. For convenience, full recipe, costing and pricing in the description box below. For the ingredients, I use very simple ingredients that are easily accessible. We start with coffee, and we have sugar. We use creamer, evaporated milk, condensed milk. Where I am from, there are two sizes of canned condensed milk. One is the larger 500 grams and the other is the smaller 300 grams. So when I say one can, I mean the smaller 300 grams. Okay? And finally, caramel. Because we are going to make salted caramel coffee today, we need this flavor. You can use your own homemade salted caramel, or you can use store-bought salted caramel. I lined up a few brands here, so I am not biased with one brand. Of course, your price will depend on your cost, so select whichever works best for you for your pricing. Well, I suppose that's all we need to cover before we start making our coffee. So let's start making this because I have people waiting for them. What happened is the last few months I've been making quite a number of drinks and bottling them and distributing them to the local community. So it seems a tradition has been started where I am, and I'm going to make drinks to distribute to my local community every Saturday. And the loveliest thing was they now make their request. And the request for today is once again coffee. You know, we all love milk tea, but for some of us, we need coffee. Let's get started. Bring your water to a boil. Once it's boiling, turn off the heat. Put your dry ingredients, coffee. Make sure you get it all. Wow, that already smells really good. Sugar. With the sugar, I start with less. And if it's not enough, I'm going to add more. Creamer. You start with the dry ingredients. Give it a bit of a stir. It's starting to smell like really, really strong coffee. And now we can add our deliciously smelling salted caramel. Evaporated milk, 1 can of evaporated milk. And then 1 can of our condensed milk. I'm just going to scrape my can so that I get all the goodness. Make sure nothing is left there. My coffee is smelling so delicious, smelling of salted caramel. My customers will be really happy today. And then give it a stir. Well, now that our mixture is complete, it's time to give it a taste before you actually bottle them to make sure your customers will like what you bottle. Just 1 teaspoon. Masarap, mabango, matamis, matapang. Translated to English, it tastes good, smells good, it's sweet and strong. Perfect combination to make your bottled coffee or salted caramel coffee sell well. Let's wait for it to cool down and we're going to start bottling them. Ooh, aloy. Here we've got our cooled down salted coffee caramel. It's time to bottle them. And as always, I'm going to use my scale just to make sure I have the equal weight in every bottle. Tear, put your bottle on there, and your funnel, tear it to 0 and start pouring. And put them in a bucket full of ice, and you are ready to start selling your salted caramel coffee. Well, as always, you can adjust the recipe according to your own taste preference. If you feel the coffee is too strong, reduce the proportion of coffee. If you think it is not sweet enough, then you can add more sugar. Make it according to your own personal preference or your perception of what your customers would like them to taste like. To me, this is perfect. Strong and sweet coffee. So there you have it. Very easy, very simple recipe. And what a smashing treat to all my friends who are waiting for me today. Waiting for their salted caramel coffee today. I wish you all the best in your business at home. Let me know how it goes for you. Don't forget to click that subscribe button for more of these business ideas from Chao. In the meantime, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.